Hi friends, this is Yosef Shankar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Subscribe my channel for latest videos of general knowledge as well as imitation of Telugu artists. Let's go. Which is the largest living bird on earth? Here I will give 5 seconds to think about that question. After that I will answer it. 2, 1, go. That is ostrich. The next question. For how many years have the dinosaurs been extinct? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. About 65 million years. Next question. Which amongst the following is the largest mammal? That is whale. Next question. Which of the following are the warm-blooded animals? The answer is whales. Which of the following is the smallest bird? 4, 3, 2, 1, go. That is hummingbird. Which of the following is the national aquatic animal of India? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. That is dolphin. Which of the following birds is the state bird of 3 Indian states? That is blue jay. That is AP, Karnataka and Odisha, 3 states of India. Which of the mangoist is the following is not an ape? Ape. That is 2, 1, go. That is langur. Drawn finches refers to a group of. That is group of birds. Group of birds is called a dragon finches. A group of crows is called murder. What is the largest monkey in the world? That is mandrill. Dogs can hear up to what frequency in cycle per second? That is 50,000 cycle per second dog can hear. How many toes does a dog have? That is 5 toes. These are the basic questions of animals and birds. About this next question. A group of butterflies called, that is flutter. These are the few questions about animals, basic questions. Thank you very much for watching this video and